First, we declare our primary, secondary, and success color variables using SASS. The primary color is a shade of blue, the secondary is a shade of gray, and the success color is a shade of green. These are the base colors that will be used throughout our application's theme. Next, within the root pseudo class, we assign the values of our SASS variables to CSS custom properties, or CSS variables. We use interpolation syntax to insert the SASS variable values into the CSS variables. We then create a mixin called theme colors, which takes a map of color names and values as an argument. Inside the mixin, we iterate over each entry in the map and use the adjust color function to darken each color by 20%. We then assign this new value to a CSS variable with the same name. We invoke the theme colors mixin and pass a map containing our primary, secondary, and success colors. This will generate new CSS variables for each with the adjusted colors, allowing us to easily apply different shades of our theme colors throughout the application. Now, let's switch to our Angular component. We start by importing component and host binding from the @Angular core package. Component allows us to define a new component, and host binding will let us dynamically bind properties to the host element of this component. We define our app component with a selector that allows us to use it as an element called AppRoot inside our HTML. The template for this component includes a headline and 2 buttons styled with our primary and secondary theme colors. We also link to our SASS style sheet where our themes are defined. The app component class is exported so it can be used throughout our Angular application. We use host binding to attach the class property to our component's host element. This allows us to change the class dynamically. The toggle theme method changes the class name to theme dark if the isDark parameter is true, enabling us to switch themes on the fly.